Dear students, St. Thomas English Medium High School welcomes you to the new academic session 2020-21. This is Standard 2 EVS Semester 1. I, Meena Vani, would like to teach you Chapter 1, Living and Non-Living Things, Part 1. Now, let us start. All the things that you see around yourself form an environment. Things such as trees, plants, animals, birds, soil, air, water, all this forms an environment. Air we need for breathing, water we need to drink, soil we need to grow plants. All the things form an environment. I want you to spell environment. The spelling is ENVIRONMENT. Now look at the picture shown on the other side. What can you see, children? You can see birds are flying, butterflies are there, flowers blossom, trees are there, some children are playing, some are playing with the toys, some are playing on the rides. All they are having their fun. These all things form the part, they are the part of the environment, and this all form the environment. Now we will start with living things. All the things that you can see around yourself, that move, that grow, that they are living things such as animals, birds, trees, people around us. All are living things. Some examples are animals like wild animals, domestic animals, pet animals, water animals, all the trees, small trees, big trees, herbs, shrubs, children, big person, human beings, old age person, all these are living things. From ant to an elephant, all are living things that we can see around ourselves. Nature has given us both living and non-living things. As living things are important for us, non-living things also are part of our environment. Things such as soil, rock, air and water are part of our environment. They are non-living things. They do not grow, they do not move on their own, but still they form a part of our environment. Soil we need to grow plants. Rock is there, rock is also part of our environment. Water we need to drink, air we need for breathing. These all are part of environment, but they are non-living things. They do not grow, they do not have life on their own. Now students, here is the worksheet I have given you. Some pictures are given. I would like you to ask few questions with them. See the first picture, it is the picture of candle. Can candle move? No. Can candle grow? No. But if we put fire, it can burn. So I would like to ask you, is candle a living thing? No. Candle is not a living thing. It is a non-living thing. Second picture is duck. What you can see? It is a duck, yellow colored duck. Does duck move? Just think over it. Yes, duck can move. It has legs. Small duck grows into the duckling grows to big duck. So it is a living thing. Third picture is of the ball. Does ball grow in the size when you bring it from the market? Next day it grows? No, it is the same every time. So it is a non-living thing. Again the picture is, fourth picture is of fish. Can fish move? Think over it. Can fish move? Yes, fish moves in the water. So it is a living thing. Fifth picture given is fan. Fan can move, but when it gets the electricity, when we switch on the button, but it will not move itself, it will not go from one room to another. So it is a non-living thing. Sixth picture is of buffalo. Is buffalo a living thing? Yes, buffalo is a living thing. It grows, it needs food, it gives us milk. All the characteristics shows that it is a living thing. It needs water to drink. It also feels hot in the summer season. It goes and sit under the shade. So it is a living thing. The seventh picture you see is a tree. I already told you that tree is a part of environment and it is a living thing. When tree is a small, after some years it grows into a big tree. So it grows inside, though it does not move. But when it does not move from one place to another, but when there is a air, it moves itself little. So we get the wind. Tree is a living thing. Eighth picture is of the table. Table you use at home. That table does not move on its own. Do you think it is a living one? Do you think it is a living thing? No. It is made from wood, which is a part of tree, but it is not a living thing. It does not move on its own, so it is a non-living thing. And the last picture is of tiger. Tiger grows in size, yes or no? Yes, it grows in size. So tiger is a living thing. I would like to end this session. In the next session, we will start with the characteristics of living things and non-living things. Thank you, children.